Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Kids Baking Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting ways to get your kids involved in the kitchen. This cookbook is packed with easy-to-follow recipes designed specifically for young bakers, making it a fantastic tool for developing essential skills and creating lasting memories. From simple cookies to more elaborate treats, this cookbook offers a range of options to suit different skill levels and interests, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. Number 5. The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a culinary master? This cookbook is packed with over 100 recipes that you'll love to cook and eat. It's the perfect guide for young chefs like you. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of delicious recipes. From simple snacks to more complex dishes, it has something for everyone. Get ready to explore a world of flavors. This cookbook makes cooking fun and easy. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips, so you can create amazing meals. You'll be proud of what you make. With this book, you'll learn essential cooking skills. It will teach you how to measure ingredients, follow recipes, and create delicious food. It's a great way to build confidence in the kitchen. Grab your apron and get ready to cook. This cookbook is your key to culinary adventures. It's time to create some amazing dishes and enjoy the delicious results. What we like. This cookbook boasts over 100 recipes, offering a wide variety of options. It's perfect if you're looking for a comprehensive collection to explore different baking styles and tastes. If you enjoy having many choices and want to bake something new every time, this is the one for you. What people say. It's an instruction manual that starts with lots of kitchen basics and continues with great recipes with clear instructions and kid reviews. It is well organized with lots of pre-cooking information and instructions for the beginning chef, fun, easy, delicious recipes, and the illustrations are beautiful. Recipes are rated as beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and there is incredible variety, everything from small items for one person to friends and family, sized main dishes, beverages, desserts, sides, breakfast, and snacks. Number 4. Food Network Magazine Kids Baking Book. This book is packed with over 110 recipes designed specifically for young bakers. It's filled with fun and easy-to-follow instructions, perfect for kids of all skill levels. Get ready to create delicious treats. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes, from cookies and cakes to breads and more. The book makes baking accessible and enjoyable. It's a fantastic way for kids to explore their culinary creativity. Each recipe includes clear, step-by-step instructions with helpful tips and colorful photos. This book makes it simple for young chefs to succeed in the kitchen. It's designed to build confidence and inspire a love of baking. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this book has something for everyone. It's a great way to spend quality time together while creating tasty treats. It's the perfect cookbook for young bakers. With over 110 recipes, you'll never run out of new and exciting things to bake. It's a treasure trove of delicious ideas. This book will keep you busy and your taste buds happy. What we like. Featuring recipes from Food Network, this book brings professional quality to your kitchen. It's designed to be fun and engaging for young bakers. If you are a fan of Food Network and want to bake with recipes from professionals, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Beautifully illustrated recipes for kids. Every recipe is easy and delicious to make. Recipes are easy to read, the pictures are delightful, and everything looks good enough to eat. Number 3. The Ultimate Kids Baking Book. Are you looking for fun and easy dessert recipes? This book is perfect for kids of all ages. It includes 60 recipes for holidays, birthdays, and other special occasions. This book features a wide variety of recipes. From cookies to cakes, there's something for everyone. It's a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen. Whether it's a holiday, birthday, or any special event, this book has you covered. It provides recipes tailored for every celebration. It's a fantastic resource for creating sweet memories. The recipes are designed to be simple and easy to follow. They are perfect for young bakers. This book makes baking a fun and enjoyable experience for children. Get ready to create delicious treats with your kids. This book is your guide to a world of baking adventures. It's a must-have for every young baker. What we like. This book is centered around holidays and special events, making baking more festive. It offers 60 easy dessert recipes. If you like to bake for special occasions and want simple, delicious treats, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The directions are clear and easy to follow, and there are pictures for every recipe as well as the step-by-step instructions. The kids were especially excited to make donuts at home. The recipes appear to be clearly written and appealing to taste buds of both adults and children. Number 2. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 delicious recipes. It's perfect for young chefs who love to bake, share, and eat. From cookies and cakes to breads and savory treats, this book has it all. It includes a wide variety of recipes for every occasion. You'll find something you love to bake. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow. The instructions are clear and simple. You'll be baking like a pro in no time. Baking is even more fun when you share it with others. This book encourages you to share your creations with family and friends. It's a great way to spread joy. The best part about baking is eating what you make. This book guarantees delicious results. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. What we like. This cookbook includes both sweet and savory recipes, expanding your baking horizons. It encourages you to share your creations with others. If you want to bake a variety of dishes and enjoy sharing your food with family and friends, you'll love this one. What people say. The recipes in the book are great and easy to make good-tasting desserts. Easy recipes, step-by-step instructions, and kid-friendly photos. Inspires confidence in the kitchen. It comes with really easy to more complicated recipes. It's for little ones to big ones. It is easy to understand with the chef hats reference. Number 1. Kids Chef Bakes, the Kids Cookbook. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you. It's packed with fun recipes and easy-to-follow instructions. Inside, you'll find a variety of delicious treats to make. From cookies to cakes, this book has something for everyone. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your baking skills. This cookbook makes baking a fun and enjoyable experience. It uses simple language and colorful illustrations. It's the perfect way to learn new skills and create tasty treats. This book teaches you the fundamentals of baking. You'll learn about ingredients, measurements, and techniques. It's a great way to build confidence in the kitchen. Grab your apron and get ready to bake. This cookbook is your guide to becoming a kid chef. It's time to create some delicious memories. What we like. Specifically designed for aspiring bakers, this book offers kid-friendly instructions. It's perfect for young chefs who are just starting out. If you have a child who loves to bake and needs clear, easy-to-follow guidance, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. Is laid out in a way that supports their self-sufficiency in the kitchen with clear directions including what tools will be needed. Encourages experimentation with things to try. And teaches all of us, new things in ways that make the learning fun with baking school, and helpful hints scattered throughout, like the one on page 108 about combining wet and dry ingredients, that helped us understand past outcomes that weren't what we hoped for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.